Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, we will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities or analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your capital. The more your capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This was on downtrend before, right from this resistance zone, and of course it came to an end around the support zone. At the moment it is going back on buy trend, and it is buying at the moment, so it's going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Right from this resistance zone it started selling, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so I mean this particular support zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out below it, then definitely to go back on buy trend. Okay, let's check out crash 1000. So guys, this is crash 1000. It went on buy trend. Right from here you can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows telling us that the market is on buy trend, so you can go in and buy. But it came to an end, and this particular resistance, you can see the red flag and the red arrow, so it means that the market is selling at the moment. Okay, so we should be selling it at the moment. Okay, and the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance zone, pulled back and went back there to break out above the resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, that is when it will go back on downtrend. But for now it is still buying. It might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above that. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75, volatility 75. This is it on 5 minutes, and of course it had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, played around there for a while, but broke out below it around there, and of course got to this region. Okay, if it's unable to break out below the support zone, it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, but for now it is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time if it's unable to break out below it. Okay, below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then,